Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix colors changing mid-video on OpenArt. So let's say your video colors are shifting or changing midway on this platform. It's usually caused by model instability, prompt inconsistency, or audio style variation between frames. So actually guys, first you will need to look your style in the prompt, and that's the most important. Okay, so add phrases like consistent color grading, and that's because the AI may reinterpret style every few seconds. Okay, unless you force consistency. All right, so by typing some words or some phrases like this ones, you will force the consistency as well. So consistent color grading or stable lighting throughout, and same style across all frames, etc. All right, so there are multiple phrases that you can use, but I did really mention some useful ones. Okay, so you can use them. And let's say that you want to type a full description or full prompt, so you can go, for example, with cinematic setting, night scene, consistent color grading, and stable lighting, and no color changes. Okay, and also guys, you will need to avoid the conflicting style words. So the color shifts often happen when the prompt mixes styles like sunset plus neon plus daylight. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.